It's good. It's definitely a very intense experience. You have to be very active.
Okay.
But it's good exercise.
Shout out to us, Interest TV.
Okay. Alright, everyone for higher Ascent Trends TV. But what is our best subscribe to your channel and we follow all the social media platforms so. And now Ascent Trends you be PM Kakum National Park or Cape Coast the mountain so any you be PM you be suya there you be chira there near GNI so I say ebi you be a Kakum National Park that good news. On no first time so aba you be yes we be for who any other you be suya there wa you be suya the history so I say after obi so one fu bi da no obi what oh feel what say oh for who ni daddy be brave but you be feeling the experience no ahoho ene anuanu mo aba ha no bi so be di nkomo dey no martin ofie and after so mo fu na mo ba ene so experience so to say it for more and more and Ascent Trends yeah bro just stay tuned and subscribe to our channel big ups. That's all. Kakum National Park. And then area about bro. First, what bahana? First what's the Kakum National Park? Oh, my team Canopy that's a junior part I have to be for my lifetime. Okay, we see everyone to do you. What is I always know her. Oh, to me, the means I have church medicine. All right, with a chest medicine. That's also a new come. Let's say. Yeah, we have never some first time over here. First time. What's the Kakum National Park? And I didn't know what I said. Oh, you know. Hello. And I am. Okay, yes, Sister Sarah. I didn't want you who said, "Oh, she be moving videos and do soon in Tietie." They are not by all means, and they are shy. Oh, no, so soon. Hello, that's it. Everything. First time I did first time I did now, you know what's happening. Sorry, I won't take you never know about how it's working. If I go some, it's no some breakfast. Who's run? I say, what between blah blah blah. Who's through? It's your first one. I won't pass. What do you mean, Basil? Oh, yes, sister, what do you mean, Basil? Yes, that's what do you mean, Basil. Brother, hello, good afternoon. Not the same. Yeah, we are done. First of all, you are here. And that's what you got for Kakum National Park. You are being. To be actually, is that high come out? Then you did it for me. We are sure so much for work. We are sure. Okay, also I'm good so better for so. And then subscribe and like your channel no. Now follow here. So as I say, yeah, for working so. So omo muka so omo wakukudro. Omo muka so omo di omo be suni ade ade no. You didn't have bro. Just stay tuned for more updates. Good afternoon. General. How about that? My experience was nice. Because I went out every time before no musu, where I the second time, first time I experience and I had more fun among the by million use to height. Just uncle for me, very helpful. Good tonight. Then I would video experience it was so pay. Yeah, that's the sound I said first. All right, yeah, that's all. Kakum National Park. And then over house here, environment now. Foreigners as well. Also, I'm visiting Kakum National Park. And then no one, the crowd here, African bees that what I say, so as I say, but a Ghanaian culture, that's why almost bees will have say, I feel so almost Ghanaian art as well, almost that annually, so as I say, our foreigners need to move back every marketing as well as what I say, young for the view of Nyoma air coastal happening. It's all about foreigners, instead of culture of Ghanaians, Netizen.
Nyamiado. Nice.
Nice. Okay. Another person.
And enye easy o. Ma mi se mudi mo ko amuye what?
My name is Joe, and you?
Sade, nice to meet you.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay. It's your first time coming here?
To Ghana?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so how is the experience?
It's good. It's definitely a very intense experience, and you have to be very active.
Okay.
But it's good exercise. Yeah.
Okay, so how do you tell your friends who are not able to come here?
To expect to really soak in a lot of nature, and I would definitely tell them to bring water, pack a fan, and some very comfortable athletic shoes.
Okay. Say hi to your friends.
Hi, friends.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right.
See you guys.
Okay. I'm joining you.
Nano.
No.
Yeah.
Okay. Where from you?
From London.
London.
Yeah.
Okay. Is your first time coming to Ghana?
No, my third.
Your third time?
Yeah, I'm here for 30 December.
Okay.
Yeah.
How about this place?
First time.
First time?
Yeah.
So how is the experience?
It's crazy. But it gets easier. It gets easier as you go through the levels.
Okay.
I enjoyed it.
Okay.
So, are you a Ghanaian?
Yeah.
So you are a Ghanaian?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, where are you from, Ghana? Where are you from?
I'm from Accra.
Accra.
And
I gotta go and say. Oh, okay. Okay, so you know where actually your hometown?
okay, so my mom's from Ethiopia and my dad's from Trinidad.
Okay. So I know your roots.
Yeah, I know my roots. Come on.
Alright.
Yeah.
So how do you tell your friends who are not able to come here?
They need to come. It's an experience. Yeah, it's an experience. You have to come. You have to experience yourself. Like videos, cameras won't do it for you unless you come yourself.
Oh, okay. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
Okay. Bye. Okay.
I'll come to London one day, okay?
Okay.
How it is, what I say, and I say stress, and they are back at home. Yeah, fully experienced to so I say, wow, a lot of people are saying it's easy, and people will crazy. So, you know now, like when you see them, when you are talking to them now, they are tired. I want bread. You know, as I said, just stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and then follow up for more updates. As I said, okay. What's your name? Ajua. So, wow, nice name. So, is your first time coming to this place?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So, how is the experience?
It's okay.
It's okay. But I can see you are tired. Okay. So, how do you say about this?
There's too much climbing the steps, walking, and we don't have time to sit down.
So you want to get time to sit down and relax. Oh, okay. Thank you. Well done. Okay, thank you. All right. What? Oh, okay. Is your first time coming to this place? Yeah, okay. So, how is the experience? It's scared. So, what do you tell your friends who are not able to come here? Tell them something so that they.
What's it?
They should come and see the horses. Okay, see it.
Yes.
So that's what you see. Okay, no problem. Okay. Hi there. What's your name?
Sosa.
Oh, first time coming here. No, so how's the experience? Good. Good. So, what are the things that you see that are very nice to you?
Horses and the hiking.
Is that the only thing that you feel good?
The trees are beautiful and lots of people are coming.
Oh, okay, nice one. Okay. Oh, Papa, okay. So, same name.
Yeah.
All right.
You want to pronounce your full name? It's not a full name. Pronounce your full name.
Oh, okay. Wow. Okay, so it's your first time coming here.
Yeah, first time coming here.
Okay, so how's the experience?
It's very nice. There's lots of nature here, lots of things to explore, and I'm just here for the adventure.
Oh, okay. So what are the things that you see here that was very impressed?
Much more nature than I've ever seen before. Okay. Much more rocks, much more things that you can like visualize and see.
Okay. So tell your friends who are not able to come here, tell them something so that next time they will also join you or they will come alone. Tell them something.
I recommend you guys come here because it's a really nice place and it's great for exploring, great for taking pictures, and great for videos. Shout out to our Centrist TV.
Okay, bro. Thank you very much. Thank you. If you are, oh, so you are my mom. Come on. if you are my mom. Okay, so your first time coming here, right? Second time. Wow. So how is the experience?
It's a bit scary.
Scary. What are the things that make you scary?
The other time my auntie came here, she said that the place is high.
Yeah.
The bridge is high. So I'm scared.
So what about now? Are you still scared of?
A bit.
Oh, okay. Say hi to your friends. Okay, thank you for your time.
You think you can continue, turn left. Okay. 1, 2, you are done. If you want to continue, you turn right, which is 350 meters. And the height is 11 meters above the forest floor, 47 meters. The more you go, the higher it becomes. And it's very, very safe. At the entrance, we say Apaba. Apaba means you're welcome. At the end of the tour, when you descend the steep hill that we climb, you see ice.
How many need we are going? You get it? Yes. 30% left for us to go, so you are moving. You will still survive. Let's go. So